All right, amazing mathematicians. On the left side, you'll see the question, and on the right side, you'll see my paper where I will be working this out. Find the total surface area of the shape below. It looks like a triangular prism, and I know it's a triangular prism because my bases are triangles and all those faces are rectangles. So, I'm going to redraw my shape because, to be honest, I find that to be the easiest way to work this out. And clearly, if you're taking this on the computer, then you'll also need to redraw the shape. So let's label all our stuff. We see that our two slant heights for our triangle is 8, which also tells us that this guy is 8 because they have to be the same length, right? Like if I cut this out and put it together, these two would have to be the same length. All right, so then it looks like this guy is 10, which means this guy is 10. And then the height of my triangle is 9, and that's going to be for both of them. Oh, and then 12. Almost forgot that, which means all of these guys are 12, right? Okay, let me get a different color going. Now I'm going to find the area of each of those figures and add them all up. So I see that this is 8 by 12, and that's length times width. Now, I know what 8 times 12 is off the top of my head, and that's 96. But if you don't, then work it out. And then I always like to write the area inside my shape, so I know I've already found it. And did we notice there's 2 of those 8 by 12s? All right, then I have another rectangle. That is length times width. And in this case, it's 10 by 12, which again is mental math. We know that to be 120. So label that guy 120. Then my two triangles is base times height divided by 2. The base is 10. The height is 9 divided by 2. Now, I always like to reduce before I multiply. So I'm going to reduce the 10 and 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now I'm just doing 5 times 9. Instead of doing 10 times 9 and cutting it in half, I'm just doing 5 times 9. I already cut it in half, which is 45. But if you truly do not understand that math, 10 times 9 is 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45. So these two guys, my two triangles, are 45. Now I'm going to add all of those up. So 96 plus 96 plus 120 plus, what were the other two? 45. Which honestly I already know to be 90, right? Because I've already divided them by 2, so I know how to multiply them by 2. All right, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 10 is 22. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 9 is 13, plus 9 is 22, plus 4 is 26, plus 4 is 30. 0, carry the 3. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. So the total surface area is 402 centimeters squared. So I guess my answer would have been B, this guy.